Saya! Hi Kamatsaya! Today, pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa perfect square. Don't worry, madali lang ito. And after this lesson, magiging perfect square expert ka na. Tara, simulan na natin. Alamin muna natin kung ano ang definition ng perfect square. Perfect square is a number of square units that can form a square. Another definition, ang perfect square ay number na nanggaling sa pag-multiply ng isang whole number sa sarili niya. For example, 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 is a perfect square. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 is a perfect square. And 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 is also a perfect square. Why do we call it a square? Let's look at this. I have here 4 squares with 1 unit as a measure of each side. Let us put it side by side and form it into 1 square. Since we can form it into 1 square, we can say now that the measure of each side is 2 units. That is 2 times 2 equals 4, where 4 is a perfect square. Another, I have here 5 small squares where the measure of each side is 1 unit. Do you think we can form 1 big square out of 5 small squares? The answer is no, because we cannot get the same measure of each side. Take note, to be considered as a perfect square, a number should be made by multiplying a number by itself. Here are the first 10 perfect squares. 1 squared equals 1 times 1 equals 1. 2 squared equals 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 squared equals 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 squared equals 4 times 4 equals 16. 5 squared equals 5 times 5 equals 25. 6 squared equals 6 times 6 equals 36. 7 squared equals 7 times 7 equals 49. 8 squared equals 8 times 8 equals 64. 9 squared equals 9 times 9 equals 81. 10 squared equals 10 times 10 equals 100. The first 10 perfect squares are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. Okay, let's test your brain. Is 36 a perfect square? Yes, because 6 times 6 equals 36. What about 50? No, because there's no whole number that multiplies by itself to get 50. Is 81 a perfect square? Yes, because 9 times 9 equals 81. How about 32? No, because there's no whole number that multiplies by itself to get 32. Now, it's your turn. Can you name the next 3 perfect squares after 100? If your answer is 121, 144, and 169, that is correct. Remember, a perfect square is the product of a number multiplied by itself. Maraming salamat mga kamatsaya. I hope nadagdagan ang inyong kaalaman. Magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na math video lesson. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.